Okay, so hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? Well, it's your boy Say Joni, and welcome back to yet another episode of Tech and Time Lapse. Well, today, before we get into the business officially, as you guys know, I got good news. As usual, pretty much we're having a giveaway again this week, and this one is also sponsored by. You know already, it is sponsored by Onit. So Onit.ng is sponsoring this video, and pretty much Onit is giving us this week a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now I'll be giving more explanation or more details on how to win this at the end of the video. But for now, just stay tuned and let's rock. So yeah, welcome back today, and today we're gonna be talking about nice feel. Actually, I like that sound. Nice feel. It actually makes me feel nice anyway. I don't know about you guys when you eventually get to try this out, but this is amazing. So I actually got this item precisely about a little over a month ago, about 2 months, closer to 2 months, and I literally never took it out of the box. Like, I literally didn't take it out of the box. I was like, I got the stuff because I saw it online. It was kind of like catchy because it's like, you know, guys have been trying out like new random stuff that I just see online, like something that I haven't tried before, like the massagers, like the gun massagers, the churro gun we had like a couple of weeks ago, and I've just been buying those random stuffs. And I saw this and I was like, this is new, a water flosser. I like to floss, but using water to floss, how would that work? Now I know water under high pressure is actually one of the most destructive forces on earth. Like, it can break through things, it can cut through anything just like laser if you pretty much compress it and add enough pressure to it. But I never thought about using it as a flosser, so I was really curious, but my curiosity was not so long lived after I got the product that I did not eventually open up the products to actually test it out. That being said, I eventually did, and boy oh boy was I surprised. Like, this stuff was amazing. So trying it out, first thing out of the box, I love the packaging, I love the grip, the carbon fiber that was pretty much used, like with the grip and the accented nature with the curve. It just makes it super easy to use, super easy to grab, super easy to like move around with. And the fact that the design is just so pretty, even though it's bulky, but I love the way it's just designed, and it just makes sense starting up with the design. So I actually give them a plus for the design. The second part is the tips. So I actually came with 4 tips, and in my mind when I was pulling it out, I'm like, 4 different tips. Like, okay, so when I get a toothbrush, like any of this electric toothbrush, I know I should get multiple tips because, well, they once I'm out of this one, I switch to the next one. But with flosser, I don't think it works that way. So I'm like, multiple tips what I was trying to achieve right here. But so they all look different on the tip, like little design. So I'm like, let's see. And yeah, so we give it a test, and this is what happened. Okay, before we get to the test parts, then finally after the tips, pretty much unboxing it, we have the charging net. And for all those devices that I've actually been buying in the last almost 2 years now, it's very rare for you to see any of them that comes with a charging net. Like, it is very 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 rare to have any of them come with a charging net. So I was like, rolling my eyes, like, this is amazing. Like, this is actually a plus. Like, it comes with a charging brick. Like, it's very rare for you to see any of these devices come with a charging brick today. It just comes with a USB and that's it. And so I was actually really excited for that. And down to the test. So right out of the box, plug it in, connect the USB, and give it a little bit of charge. I'll say it's so straightforward that you don't need charging. As I said, charging. You don't need a manual to actually operate this. Pull it out, twist the bottom, the base, and boom, it opens up. Take that up and fill it with water. And on the first trial, I discovered it actually lasts for about 2 minutes for a full tank, and that is more than enough for you to actually floss your teeth under high pressure. And I said, boy oh boy was I surprised, because this stuff literally gave me the feeling like I just went for not a regular floss, but a proper dental cleaning. Like when I mean a proper dental cleaning, that is the same effect you get out of this flosser. Like, oh boy, this is out of the world, mind blowing. Everyone should literally have this device in their home right now. Like, you should have this. I'm not recommending that you should over floss, because to me now this is actually more like over flossing, so I only do it like once or twice a week. But it is literally like going for a dental cleaning, like not a regular floss. Like the pressure, the precision with the water going in is just so amazing, so clean, so thorough, that this guy just blows my mind away. So that's my recommendation for this guy. For the price point, I got this nice fill for around, I think it was like $36 when I got it. Now the prices always vary on Amazon, promotions are on that, promotions and all that. And of course, Prime Day is coming around very soon. I'll be making a video dedicated to Prime Day, so most of these stores would actually go even way cheaper when it comes to Prime Day, so you guys should actually add it to your cart right now. I'm gonna put a link in the description below. And yeah, you guys should grab one, floss your teeth, whiten your teeth through the process, and feel good. Nice Fill actually made me feel good, and it's been a long time since a device actually took me by surprise. This took me by a full 100% surprise, and as a result, I'm recommending it to you guys. So crop it, and that's it for this. So as I said in the beginning of the video, we're giving away a true wireless bud. Pretty much to win this true wireless bud, all you need to do is 1. Subscribe to the channel, 2. Like the video, 3. Share the video, and 4. Comment on the video, and someone will be picked at random next weekend. So next week Saturday, someone will be picked at random, and you will be awarded a true wireless earbud. And yeah, that's it for us today. Thanks for watching, and if you guys love this content, you want to see more contents like this, please shoot me a comment in the description below. Tell us how you want us to improve, tell us what you want us to review next, whatever you want us to do a DIY for. We fix phones, we laptops, name it. You could go get a gadgets, car reviews, name it, anything. Tell us what you want to see next, and definitely gonna try my best to bring it to you guys. Until next time, it's your boy Say Johnny, and peace out. I love y'all.